Welcome to Catatouille. We're your hosts, Jusani Jackson.
And I'm Whitney Ice. And this week we'll be making mint chocolate swirl bar, crock pot hot chocolate, and candy cane swirl sticks.
First, we're going to start on our mint chocolate swirl bar. Before we begin, this is what you'll need. 7 ounces of white chocolate, 6.5 ounces of chopped Andes mint, 1/4 teaspoon of canola oil, 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract, and 8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
To start, we're going to line our baking sheet with foil and then set aside.
Now we're going to melt our white chocolate and 1 ounce of our Andes mint together in the microwave, stirring every 20 seconds until melted.
Once our chocolate is melted and smooth, we are going to add in our peppermint extract and oil, then set aside. So when stirring, we want to make sure that our peppermint extract and oil get mixed in really well.
Next, we're going to melt our semi-sweet chocolates the same way we melted the other chocolates, stirring every 20 seconds.
Now we're going to pour our chocolate over our baking sheet so that spreads into a large rectangle.
Next, we're going to drizzle our white chocolate on top, and then with a knife, we're going to swirl the 2 layers together and add our Andes mints on top. And so again, you just want to take your knife and, just mix it up however you want. You can take it down, bring it up. Fill it around, however you want it to look. Just do your thing. And drizzle on top. And add as many as you like. It's really up to you. Once everything is mixed together, we're going to set it aside for 45 minutes. When we get back, we'll start on our hot chocolate. Stay tuned on Channel 8.
Peppermint extract is an herbal extract of peppermint made from essential oils of peppermint leaves. It is commonly used in cooking, as a dietary supplement, as herbal or alternative medicine, and as a pest repellent. Welcome back, Catatouille fans. Here's what you'll need for your crock-pot hot chocolate. 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 6 cups of milk, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, and 2 cups of milk chocolate chips.
Pour all your ingredients into the crock pot and whisk together until well combined. And don't worry guys, if you don't have a crock pot, you can always just do this on your stove. Just do it on probably like low medium heat and just mix it and make sure that you don't burn anything. Since it's on the stove, it'll kind of cook faster than the crock pot.
Once well combined, we're going to cook on low for 2 hours and stir occasionally.
While our hot chocolate is heating up, we're going to start on our candy cane stir sticks. Here's what you need. 12 peppermint candy canes, 1 cup of milk chocolate chips, and 5 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. To start in a small double boiler over medium heat, we're going to melt our chocolate chips while adding in our heavy whipping cream.
A double boiler is a pot on your stove with water about a third of the way full and then with another bowl on top. That way you can melt and temper chocolate appropriately. Once our chocolate is smooth and without lumps, we are going to take each candy cane over our pan and spoon a layer of chocolate over the bottom half of each candy cane. And then to get our excess chocolate off, we're going to just kind of shake it a little bit before placing it on our sheet.
Once our candy canes are covered in chocolate, we're going to place them in the refrigerator so they can harden.
When we get back, we're going to try our treats. Stay tuned. Chocolate is often sweet, brown food preparation of roasted ground cocoa seed. It is made in the form of liquid, paste, or in a block, or used in flavoring ingredients in other foods. The earliest evidence of use traces to the Olmecs, with evidence of chocolate beverages dating to 1900 BC.
Welcome back, and now it's time to taste our treats.
Now that our treats are done, it's time to taste. Are you ready?
I am.
Alright.
I think I'm going to start with the hot chocolate.
Sounds good. I'm excited. Hot chocolate is a classic.
It's actually really good. I've never had like homemade hot chocolate. I've always just done like the packet and added milk in there. But this is actually really, really, really good. Like it tastes so like rich. And, I don't know. I taste the peppermint too because the peppermint started melting in there. I like it. It's good. What do you think?
I like it a lot. It reminds me a lot of my dad's homemade hot chocolate that we make. And agreed, I can taste the peppermint too. It's already melting in there. It tastes really good. Very Christmassy.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
For Christmas. Ready for this?
Yes. Go ahead. I'm excited for this too. I love Andy's mints. Getting those at the end of like a little meal or something, and peppermint bark and just in general is good.
I like it. It's super thick. Like it's a lot of chocolate in this. Like in one bite, it's a lot at one time. I do like it. It's just I feel like it's just too much chocolate. Like in one bite. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just too much chocolate in one bite. What do you think?
A lot of chocolate.
Yeah.
Like a lot of chocolate going on here. I think maybe if it was dipped in like a pretzel or something to go along with it, it would be a little bit better. But I agree, a lot of chocolate going on. But it's good.
Yeah, it's still good.
It's really good.
It's just I probably wouldn't be able to eat a lot at one time. This would be something like you can eat over like
Needs a little something salty to kind of
balance it out.
Yeah.
Okay, so how are we rating this today?
I say let's rate it on a scale of 1 to 5 chocolate.
Okay. For me, the hot chocolate would be a 5 out of 5. It was really good. Again, this is my first time, so I had to I like the experience, so
yeah,
can't complain. What about you?
I'd say same. 5 out of 5 on the scale of 1 to 5 chocolates, and it was good. Hot chocolate is amazing.
And then the chocolate, I'll probably give it a 4 out of 5 just because it is it's a lot of chocolate, and it's just, it's too much chocolate for me. But overall, I like the taste. I like the mint. I like how it all just flows. Just too much chocolate. So 4 out of 5 for me.
Yeah. I would say probably agreed again. 4 out of 5 for me on the 1 to 5 chocolate scale for our Andy's chocolate. But it is really good, very chocolatey. But yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Well, that's all for this week's show, Catatouille. Be sure to check us out on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and KNWT Channel 8.
Click here for the latest episode of Gen 2.
And click here for the latest episode of Amazing Things.